Hey Snap Scenarios Squad. Welcome back to another mind-blowing journey with your favorite What If channel. Today we're zooming out to the stars to tackle a question that's sparked blockbuster movies, endless debates, and maybe a few shivers. What if we encountered alien life? Imagine picking up a signal from a distant planet, spotting a UFO landing in your backyard, or meeting extraterrestrials face to face. Would it be a cosmic high five, a total game changer for humanity, or something way scarier? In this 50-minute adventure, we'll explore the science of finding aliens, how it'd flip our society upside down, the risks of cosmic conflict, and what it means for our place in the universe. This one's gonna be out of this world, so stick around. Quick challenge. Drop a comment right now. What's the first thing you'd say to an alien? Welcome to Earth. Or, take me to your leader? Let's hear it. Alright, let's dive into how we might actually meet our galactic neighbors. So, how do we even bump into aliens? Are we just waiting for a spaceship to cruise by, or are we out there hunting? Let's start with the science. Right now, programs like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, are scanning the skies with giant radio telescopes, listening for signals that scream, "Not human." Think beeps, patterns, or maybe an alien podcast we can't translate. We've been at it for decades, but so far? Cosmic silence. Still, the universe is huge. 13.8 billion years old, billions of stars, trillions of planets. Math says life's gotta be out there, right? Then there's exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars. Telescopes like James Webb are spotting ones in Goldilocks zones, where liquid water could mean life. Imagine detecting weird gases like oxygen spikes hinting at alien forests. Closer to home, we're poking around Mars for fossil microbes or Europa's icy oceans for swimming critters. What if we find simple life first, bacteria, not little green men? That'd still rewrite biology. Now picture 2040, a breakthrough. Maybe SETI catches a signal saying, "Hello Earth," in math code, or a probe on Titan finds glowing squid things. Or wild card, a shiny alien ship lands at the UN. How's it happen? Radio? Robots? Face-to-face? Snap Scenarios Squad, what's your bet? Signal, microbes, or full-on UFO? Comment below and tell me, would you freak out or throw a welcome party? Let's see what life's like after contact. Alright, we've met aliens, now what? Let's say it's a friendly signal, not an invasion. Society would go nuts. News channels blare 24/7, aliens real. Social media explodes. Hashtag alien vibes trends with memes of ET sipping coffee. Governments scramble, forming contact teams with scientists, linguists, even philosophers to decode the message. Imagine translating alien math into, "We come in peace." Religions might shift. Some see aliens as divine, others question old beliefs. Daily life changes fast. Schools teach Galactic History 101, kids doodling three-eyed aliens. Businesses cash in alien-themed VR games. Visit Kepler 442b tours, holograms for now. Art gets wild. Painters mix human and alien styles. Music blends Earth beats with weird cosmic hums. Jobs pop up. Alien linguists, exobiology experts, maybe ET diplomats. But fear's real too. Some stockpile bunkers worried aliens aren't so nice. Culture could unite us, humanity as one against the stars. Or divide us with groups claiming aliens favor them. Imagine dating apps adding, compatible with Andromedans? What's your vibe, Snap Scenarios Squad? Would you friend an alien on X or keep your distance? Comment your take, and here's a fun one. What Earth thing would you show aliens first? Pizza, K-pop, or cat videos? Drop it below. Let's talk what aliens might be like. What are these aliens like? That's the big unknown. Option 1. Friendly explorers like cosmic pen pals. Maybe they're squid-like thinkers sharing tech. Think fusion power or gravity gadgets. We trade ideas, maybe visit their water world. Option 2. Hostile invaders. Not Independence Day-style lasers, but subtle. Maybe they hack our systems or seed Earth with their microbes, outcompeting us. Worst case, they see us as ants, not worth talking to. Then there's option 3. Weird. Maybe they're gas clouds, thinking via magnetic fields. Or AI probes with no home planet. Communication? Tough, they might not use sound or math. We'd need AI to crack their vibes. Each type flips the script. Friends spark progress, foes mean survival mode, weirdos force us to rethink life. Risks pile up. Friendly aliens might accidentally harm us. Think giving cavemen nukes. Hostiles could dominate quietly, controlling resources. Weird ones. Misunderstandings could spark chaos. Snap Scenarios Squad, what's your alien type? Buddy, bully, or bizarre? Comment below and tell me, what's one question you'd ask them? Why visit now? Or, got any snacks? Let's hear it. Next, we tackle the dangers. Contact sounds cool, but it's risky. First, there's biology. Alien microbes could wipe us out. Not on purpose, just like Europeans wrecked Native Americans with smallpox. Our immune systems, clueless against extraterrestrial bugs. Or reverse, we infect them, sparking a galactic feud. Tech's another worry. If aliens share advanced stuff, great, unless it's unstable. Imagine a gifted fusion reactor blowing up half of Asia. Conflict's scarier. If they're hostile, we're outmatched, think spears versus tanks. Even friendly aliens could trigger human wars. Nations fighting over who owns the contact. Miscommunication's a killer too. Say we send peace, but they read war. Oops, interstellar battle. And what if they're indifferent? Mining Earth for resources, ignoring our screams. Long-term, contact could erode our independence. Relying on alien tech might turn us into cosmic pets, not partners. Snap Scenarios Squad, what's the biggest risk? Disease, war, or losing ourselves? Drop your fear in the comments, and here's a twist. How do you convince aliens we're worth keeping around? Comment your pitch. Let's see humanity's next step. So, what does alien contact mean for humanity's big picture? Best case, it's a wake-up call. Proof of life out there could unite us. No more petty fights when we're all Team Earth. We'd push science harder, chasing alien-level tech. Imagine fusion cities, interstellar ships, maybe joining a galactic federation. It'd redefine our purpose. Explorers, not just survivors. But it could humble us too. If aliens are millennia ahead, we're the new kids, learning fast or getting left behind. Our art, laws, even religions might seem tiny next to their cosmic view. Worst case, contact fractures us. Fearful groups rejecting aliens, others worshipping them. Ultimately, it's about identity. Are we special or one of countless species? Contact would force us to grow. Embrace the unknown or hide. Snap Scenarios Squad, what's your call? Does alien life make us stronger or scare us silly? Comment your vibe and tell me, what's one Earth value you'd share with aliens? Love, humor, or grit? Drop it below. Let's wrap this cosmic ride. That's our galactic journey through a world where we encounter alien life. Snap Scenarios Squad. From catching cosmic signals to decoding squid alien chats, from meme-flooded X to wars over ET tech, we've explored it all. We weighed friendly star pals against sneaky invaders, stared down microbe plagues and galactic feuds, and asked what it means to be human in a crowded universe. Mind blown yet? This channel's about snapping your imagination wide open, so let's keep the party going. What's your favorite moment? Dreaming of alien pizza parties or sweating a UFO invasion? Drop it in the comments. I'm picking faves for a shout-out next video. And here's a big one. Would you roll out the red carpet for aliens or lock the doors? No wrong answers, hit me below. If this ride sparked your brain, smash that like button. It's rocket fuel for Snap Scenarios. New here? Subscribe and hit the bell for more what-if madness. Next up, we're snapping another wild idea. Any guesses? Aliens might have started it, but you finish it. Tease me in the comments. Thanks for joining the Snap Scenarios Squad. You're why we explore the impossible. Let's keep chasing the stars together. See you in the next orbit.